Are you tired of that constant, nagging feeling of mucus in your throat, forcing you to clear it every few minutes? Let's talk about a simple, natural approach that could help you break this frustrating cycle. Of course, if you have severe or persistent symptoms, it's always wise to speak with a healthcare professional. But for many, a few small changes in daily habits can make a noticeable difference. Number 1. Start your day with warm salt water gargles. A warm salt water rinse is one of the most time-tested methods for reducing throat mucus. Dissolve half a teaspoon of sea salt or Himalayan salt in a glass of warm water. Then take a sip, tilt your head back, and gargle for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. Do this first thing in the morning and even again before bed. The saline solution helps break up and thin the mucus, making it easier to clear out naturally. No constant throat clearing required. Over a few days, you may find that the feeling of stickiness in your throat eases. Number 2. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Mucus thickens when you're dehydrated. Increasing your fluid intake is one of the simplest ways to keep mucus thin and more manageable. Warm liquids are especially helpful. Think herbal teas with ginger, lemon, or peppermint. Even plain warm water sipped slowly can soothe the throat and encourage mucus to loosen up. Aim for consistent hydration throughout the day, rather than gulping down large amounts all at once. Number 3. Adjust your diet. Some foods tend to trigger more mucus production in certain people. Dairy products are a common culprit, as are very sugary or processed foods. If you're struggling with frequent throat clearing, experiment by reducing or eliminating these for a week and see if it helps. On the other hand, adding more anti-inflammatory foods, like leafy greens, berries, and omega-3 rich foods, can support overall throat health and potentially reduce that mucus buildup. Number 4. Elevate your sleeping position. If you wake up feeling congested, try sleeping with your head slightly elevated. Adding an extra pillow or raising the head of your bed a few inches can help mucus drain instead of pooling in the back of your throat overnight. The result? Less of that urge to clear your throat first thing in the morning. Number 5. Use steam wisely. A short steam inhalation session can be incredibly effective. Boil some water, pour it into a bowl, and add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil. Carefully place your face a comfortable distance above the bowl, and drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. Inhale deeply for a few minutes. The warm, moist air helps thin mucus, making it easier to clear without that constant throat irritation. Number 6. Practice nasal irrigation. Sometimes the mucus in your throat is coming from your nasal passages. A saline nasal rinse using a neti pot or nasal spray can help clear out congestion in your sinuses, reducing the amount of mucus that drips down into your throat. This can be a game changer if sinus issues are at the root of your problem. Number 7. Relax and breathe mindfully. Constant throat clearing can itself irritate the throat and create a vicious cycle. Try a simple breathing exercise. Close your mouth, inhale gently through your nose, and exhale slowly through your nose. Focus on relaxing the throat. With time, you'll notice that the urge to clear your throat diminishes as you break the habit. It's about retraining yourself to allow mucus to pass or be swallowed normally without aggressive throat clearing. Number 8. Keep indoor air clean and humidified. Dry, dusty air can trigger more mucus production as your body tries to protect delicate throat tissues. Consider using a humidifier in your bedroom, especially in winter months, to maintain a comfortable level of moisture in the air. Also, keep your space clean by vacuuming regularly and reducing dust. Healthier indoor air often means less irritation and fewer throat clearing episodes. Give it a few days. No single trick here is a magic bullet, but together, these adjustments can make a big difference. Start with the warm salt water gargle and increased hydration, then layer in other steps as you go. Within a week of consistent effort, many people find their throat feels clearer, their voice steadier, and that annoying urge to keep clearing finally starts to fade. So say goodbye to that constant throat clearing by giving these simple methods a try. You'll be surprised at how effectively these time-honored, natural approaches can ease throat irritation and help you feel more comfortable, more confident, and less focused on that stubborn mucus buildup.